nearest public property. I was on it, that counts as possession.
Order Koala Sue's beaver, go.
I'm droopy, I sleep a lot.
I already know that.
I found a perfect tree, morning shade, no wind. I leaned against it, closed my eyes, pure bliss. Need that tree for my dam. Started chewing just a few bites. The tree shook, I fell. I haven't slept right since, my back hurts. I want 30 eucalyptus leaves for disrupted sleep and pain. She was full of Peter and Rowdy.
I saw the beaver chewing. The koala fell. It was slow, he looked confused. I laughed a little, I'm not proud.
Verdict. Beaver pays 15 leaves.
When the tree is public.
But koala find a tree without teeth marks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court adjourned. Next case.